Meaning of ejaculate.
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 Ejaculate. The term ejaculate refers to the act of expelling semen from the male reproductive system during sexual climax or orgasm. Semen is a mixture of sperm and other fluids that nourishes and transports sperm. Ejaculation results in intense physical pleasure and release, often accompanied by feelings of euphoria. For heterosexual couples, ejaculation can allow the sperm to fertilize the female's egg, leading to conception and pregnancy. In some cases, ejaculation can also occur outside of sexual activity due to medical conditions or certain medications.